right now it is 6:09 and we got a big trip. I think it's a 3-hour long trip. We're going to New York today. I think you guys are going to be excited for what the Type R is getting traded in for. What's good, y'all? As y'all can see, a little bit change in the interior. I did get a Supra. I never got to show y'all the car, but here is the Supra I've been dreaming about for a really long time, even before the R. This thing looks super good. I just got back from a tint. I'm getting tint done. I'm not gonna lie, this tint was very expensive. I believe it was 15s here, or could be 10%. I did a 5% brow over a 50% windshield tint, so the cops don't think it's tinted, even though it is tinted. And I got 5% everywhere else. I'm only 20 years old, so I know I don't have no big responsibilities like that. That's how I'm able to get things like this. And I'm thankful for my parents for providing a nice house over my head. Be prepared to see a lot of Supra content. I know everybody's building a Supra, but we're gonna be a young killer building a Supra. Hard work pays off, baby. And I'm telling you, there ain't nothing you can't get out there. If I can do it, you can too. First mod, springs, gonna lower the car. I don't mess with the monster height. Y'all know me. RSR, super down. I feel like these are the lowest ones. Also did buy these for my Type R, so I'm familiar with them. These RSR springs, they haven't settled yet. It's only been on the car for a little bit. They look really good. They really do look really good. But overall, the stance of this car, right now, I'm in love with it. Got my tires right here. I went with 255 40 19s and then 245 40 19s. And let's get these winter tires on the bad boy. That's how she looks. I have 255 40 19s and then 245 40 19s. So I think it'll be all good for winter. I am working behind the scenes to get this bad boy a little bit modified. Even with the cold weather happening up here in Boston, I'm still gonna be putting out content as if I lived in Cali. If you don't know, like I told you guys, I was working on some things, and we got the Cyber carbon fiber spoiler, and it's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to y'all. This is the aftermath, y'all. It looks good. Everything's screwed down, perfect. The fitment's great. Screws there, I seen in videos other people had 3 on each side, but mine only came with 2 for each side, so yeah, it looks good. We did splurge on some parts, and right now we're going to meet my guy. He had a Supra, but it ended up getting totaled, sadly, so we're buying. He gave me a good deal. We're buying a couple of goodies off of him. HKS intake. Also got the dual. I got a dual tone exhaust from him. I got charge pipes, bro. Charge pipes look so beautiful. But anyways, he gave me WeatherTech floor mats. We got a mat for the back. Go ahead and try to install the HKS intake. I'm learning as we go, especially on a BMW type car. Never really had a BMW. So it turns out we're missing a bolt, but my boy Dylan, we're gonna slide on him with the exhaust and see if his dealership has it.
You get the bend's already on there, and then the clamps.
Yeah, and there's also some other clamps in the box. That's what you
The box.
right there.
What you mean?
Like there's like this big ass. You'll see. That's probably going backwards. There we go. Yeah, so like I was saying, Gonna install this charge pipe. I didn't get to install it the other day. I was gonna put these on. Not only that, I got thick whip badges I'm gonna put on. Also, I'm gonna change out the reflectors. On these, so they look pretty good. And like I was saying, I got the thick whip badges on. Color match sign markers. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and prep these to get put on the car. Seems like it's on there pretty good. So as you can see, I got something here. I thought these ones gonna come in for another week, but your boy's a little happy. They look good, but we're gonna get them ceramic coated one time. Anyways, Supra's ready. They posted about it. They said it's complete.
I mean, it was way better outside.
Damn.
Yeah, it was way better outside.
Hey, see?
Yeah, don't watch it for a week. I forgot to tell you that. Give it exactly how you see it for
About a week. Let's go with y'all boys. Today we're going on a little mission. So y'all know how I have 5% here and then 50% on the windshield. I'm gonna take all that away and just do 35. If y'all can't tell, the visor is gone and the whole windshield is. So what I ended up doing is I had 50% on like I told you, but I slapped another 50% on top of the 50%. New part, baby. Blitz strut tower bar. So everything is tight. We're doing something really crazy to the Supra. I kept this a secret. I ain't really tell nobody. I remember watching Eliminate's videos and TJ Hunt of them actually getting the Supra and bagging it, but now I'm bagging it myself and making my own video. It's crazy.
Hello. Yep, got that right. And he just got the.
God damn. Yo. That's the max height. Right now I'm about to get an alignment. That's how she look. I gotta give her a wash. But I'm probably about to end the video right here. I'm gonna do a little part 2. Camera. Need to work on my fitment, bro. Need to work on the fitment. Alignment got done. I haven't went to go do a checkup with my boy Lifestyle, but the car's riding amazing. Like I said earlier, we fixed like camber in the rear and added more camber to the front. So if you guys didn't tell off the unboxing, I do have new mirrors for the Supra. These have a blue tint, so the glare of headlights won't affect me as much. Not only it has the defroster and also the warning light for your blind spot. Weather's getting nice, so right now I'm going to be swapping tires. Right now I got winter tires on my Supra. fatty old tires. Well, I already had these. I was just waiting on the studs. So what happens is I have 10mm spacers for the front, then I have 15mm spacers for the rear. Here, let me see if I get it on camera, bro.
No bull.
That shit's coming off.
That's crazy.
This. Or maybe one of these. Maybe I should get both, just in case. That shouldn't be going anywhere. That shit is tight as fuck on it. And I tightened it like all the way down.